Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can duplicate items in Oblivion with just a couple of steps. So the first thing you're going to need is an item to duplicate. You're going to need a box or some other type of storage container that's on the ground that you can put stuff in. And then you're going to need a stack of something that you're going to use to duplicate. So like a big old stack of like a bajillion arrows would be a good one. And then the last thing you need is to have a Xbox controller or some other controller plugged in to your computer. So I'm going to walk up to this crate, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to hit F to search for all my stuff. And I'm going to look for an item that I want to duplicate. And you're going to want to have just one single item. So even if you have like a bunch of, say, these potions, just put one into the crate. So in this case, I'm going to duplicate this Varla stone, which is worth 1,000 gold apiece. And I'm going to plunk that inside of there. And then I'm going to find another item using my controller by just scrolling down that I've got a bunch of. And for most people, it's probably something like a big old stack of arrows. Now here's a bunch of iron arrows, and I'm going to hit the A button and the right top trigger at the same time. And that's going to bring open a menu asking me to confirm how many of these I want to put inside of this next box. And I'm going to hit A and the right trigger again. And then now when I hit A, you might notice that there's an arrow at the top saying left button pointing back at my inventory. Now it's going to put the Varla stones back into my inventory, and it's going to use the number from the arrows if I hit A. And then boom. Now if I go back, A, it just says I'm overcumbered now, but if I go back into my inventory and I scroll back up to the top, you'll notice I now have 153 Varla stones. So that, in a nutshell, is how you do duplication inside of Oblivion Remastered. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.